Hi there. Let's talk about 7 business ideas you can look to implement in your 20s and be able to start building your own business empire. Guys, there is upward propensity in business. In other words, you can build generational wealth in business. More so if you solve problems in this world and be able to scale over time. That's why I'm out here sharing with you awesome business ideas which you can look to jump into and be able to make money and grow your brand and your business over time. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. By the way, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe because I'm out here bringing you awesome daily content around business, investing, and so forth. And when you still at it, drop a like on this video because it's going to really assist the channel to grow. Having said that, this specific demographic, talking about people in their 20s to bordering 30s, what businesses could they look to jump into for them to be able to enjoy and even so make money over time? The first business idea is business around technology. Guys, with the current world we live in, anything in tech is hot cake. You can make ridiculous amount of money in tech. And I'm talking about you doing any business which relates to technology, whether it is, for example, business support around technology, whether it's, for example, looking at developing solutions like, for example, applications and so forth in this space, also utilizing, for example, emerging technologies like, for example, AI, IoT, you name it. Guys, there is insane upward propensity in technology. More so, if you can solve a problem in this world, the world is going to reward you in great proportions. Reason being, people out here are looking to enhance their efficiencies. People want to take the shortest time to do a given task and actually achieve high quality. If you can assist them achieve that, they're going to be able to pay quite a good price for your solution. I'm not pinpointing to any specific solution. You decide which one you're looking for. And by the way, guys, the solution could be in whichever industry out there, as long as it is solving a given tech-related problem. You're gonna be able to make good money, right? And then the second business which you could look to jump into and also be able to make money is a business around car wash and car detailing. Guys, you are in your youth, whereby chances are, for example, you've acquired your first car, and you have even an immediate clique of friends, for example, who have cars, neighbors who have cars. Why not start tapping into this to start enhancing your business? Start a car wash and a car detailing business through which you can be able to support people with cars out there to ensure they take care of their cars and other types of vehicles. This is going to start slow, but be assured once you figured it out well, you're going to be able to scale up your business and even so open other new branches out there. And in the long term, you're going to be even in a lifetime kind of business whereby you can be able to create generational wealth because you started. It all takes a single step. Take that risk and hopefully over time, you're going to be able to change your fortunes and also fortune of your descendants. And then guys, the third business which you could look to jump into more so in this youthful era whereby people are interacting with tech and so forth is content creation business. We're talking about, for example, people making videos for YouTube, being podcasters, making content, for example, for TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Once you get your niche, don't hesitate. Pick that camera, whether it is your phone or even a DSLR camera, pick whichever kind of camera, jump into it. And I'm saying so because as long as you believe in what you want to make, you believe in the content, and even so, you have the tenacity to hold the sustainability which is required for you to consistently put out that content. Jump into it. You never know. And even in just 1 year or even 2 years, you're going to see your financial fortunes change. Try it. The only thing you can regret is not trying. Try it, and you never know where that particular journey is going to take you towards, right? And then the fourth business which you could look to jump into is a business around laundry and also cleaning services. And I'm saying so because, guys, out here, cleaning services are one of the kind of services which are sought throughout the year. Reason being, people's clothes out here become dirty each and every day. Business premises out there become dirty each and every day, and they require these cleaning services. Start small, pull in a team, continue growing, and hopefully over time, you're gonna be able to make ridiculous amounts of money through this cleaning business. And by the way, guys, with just simple amounts of money, you could be able to get even a vacuum cleaner. You could be able to get, for example, a washer, a dryer, and so forth, and be well in this business, right? And then the fifth business you could look to jump into well in your 20s is the business of you starting an agency. It could be an agency for anything, as long as you're solving a problem at scale. Whether it is, for example, an agency to assist with social media personalities out there, whether it is an agency in form of a call center to assist a given segment of industry, assist them, support their customer service, and so forth, you start. I know it's quite ambiguous, but if you do your research very well, you're going to be able to build funnels through which you can be able to make monies. And even so, after a few months, a few years, maybe you might just sell your funnel out there and be able to rake in millions of dollars. And then the sixth business, which you could look to jump into, is business around caring for animals, walking dogs, caring for pets, and so forth. Depending on where you live, in case you're living in urban centers, more so in a country whereby you're talking about mid-income to high-income countries, these are services which are quite highly sought after. Why not jump into this and also be able to make money? Of course, you need to learn the craft. You need to genuinely love animals. Love the pets, whether it's the dog, the cat, and so forth. Genuinely love them and also understand how to care for these kind of animals or pets. And be assured you're gonna be in a very huge business. And then, guys, the seventh and last idea I want to discuss with you is you starting a landscaping or exterior designing kind of business. Guys, if you're passionate about design, why not start that? All over the countries out here, we see there is real estate coming up. People building houses. It tells you they need skills around landscaping. Start this and also you could be able to build a crazy business empire and a company which is known for doing awesome exteriors. And even over time, you could jump into interior and be able to scale up your effort and build that longevity in this industry. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye and you all take care.